Your home is heating up, and it will only get worse. The electric bill for the air conditioning is going to be through the roof. Additionally, running traditional air conditioning can be expensive and harmful to your health. AC units use a lot of energy and can actually make your home less healthy by circulating dust, pollen, and other allergens in your home. Here's why a whole house fan is worth the investment. QuietCool Whole House Fan gives your home a breath of fresh air while flushing out all airborne pathogens that can make you and your family sick. Experience a more cool and comfortable home today. For just pennies a day, you can replace the air in your home and enjoy healthier air quality. So, what are you waiting for? Click the button on this video right now to get your free in-home estimate.